using the blend tool in Illustrator. So in this video, we'll show you how to use the blend tool, which is here in the tools panel. First thing I will do is to create different shapes. Just pick the shape tool and make sure your shapes are not in the same color. You'll see why. They will blend together. Let's pick red. Now I can go to the blend tool and just click on each shape. You can also close it. That will create a path and the blend effect. Now you can go back to the direct selection tool and control this effect. And that's a smooth color option. Now there are a few options there. If I'll go to, first I'll create the shapes. That will be back to the blend, click and click. Now I can go to object, blend, and you will find the blend options. That will open a panel where you can find there 3 options. Smooth color, specified steps. That means that you can pick the steps, let's say 10. Just refresh the preview and it will show you us creating like 10 ellipses between these two, or 5. That's specified steps. Let's check the specified distance. So I'll click OK. These are the steps. And distance can be two shapes. I will copy that path and then click. Now the blend tool obviously will not work here, but I can go back to object, blend options, and pick the specified distance. So now it's in points. You can change it from your, it's the document preferences. If you need millimeter, centimeter, and pixels. Now if I'll type 10 points, so that will be the steps between each path. 20 points. Now we have 20. Now you will see that all these, they're just effects. That means that if I go to view and outline, there is just a line here and these two. But if you want to use them individually, you can select the ellipse, go back to object, blend, and then expand. If you expand, you get a group with all the shapes. That's a really useful tool. You can create nice effects and blend different shapes together, or just copy if you need. Another way to use the blend, I can create an ellipse, right click, transform, and go to scale. With scale, let's pick 10% and copy. Now I can click once here and on the other ellipse, it will just create one. You can go back to object, specified steps, and let's try 50 steps. That will just copy 50 ellipses between them. And always remember that you can edit everything with the direct selection tool. So it will edit the effect as well. So as you can see, it's really creating this path, creating the effect. Can be really useful for your designs. So was the blend tool. The shortcut will be W. So if you click just W, it will send you to the blend tool, and under object, we had the blend options, and because it's an effect, you can release it. But if you clicked already expand, it will not be released. So if you click release, the effect is gone.